Hey everyone, the Huawei Band 10 and Huawei Watch Fit 3 cater to different users in the wearable market, offering a balance between affordability and premium smartwatch features. While both devices focus on fitness tracking and health monitoring, their differences in design, display, functionality, and pricing make them suitable for different types of users. This comparison evaluates them across various categories to determine which device best suits specific needs. The Huawei Band 10 features a sleek, ultra-lightweight design, making it one of the thinnest fitness bands available. Weighing just 15 grams and measuring only 8.9 millimeters in thickness, it is comfortable for all-day wear, including sleep tracking. The Band 10 is available in multiple colors, with an aluminum alloy or polymer case, ensuring durability while maintaining an elegant look. The Huawei Watch Fit 3, on the other hand, boasts a more premium design with an aluminum build, resembling a rectangular smartwatch similar to the Apple Watch. Weighing 26 grams, it is still lightweight, but provides a more substantial feel. The Watch Fit 3 also includes a rotating crown and a customizable side button for easier navigation, offering a more interactive user experience. In terms of display, the Huawei Band 10 features a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with a 30 Hz refresh rate and a 65% screen-to-body ratio. The display is bright enough for outdoor use and offers decent visibility under direct sunlight. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 excels in this area with a larger 1.82-inch AMOLED display, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and HD resolution. This results in a more fluid and vibrant viewing experience, making it more suitable for users who prioritize screen quality and customization. Health and fitness tracking are core functions of both devices. The Huawei Band 10 supports over 100 workout modes, heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking with TrueSleep 3.0, and stress tracking. However, it lacks built-in GPS, meaning it must rely on a smartphone for accurate distance tracking. In contrast, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 offers similar health functions, but with enhanced features, including automatic workout detection, a built-in GPS module, and advanced sleep tracking insights. It also syncs heart rate data with third-party apps like Strava, making it a better choice for serious athletes. Beyond health features, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 functions as a true smartwatch. It includes a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing users to answer calls directly from the watch. Android users can even reply to messages using preset responses, a feature unavailable on the Band 10. Additionally, the Watch Fit 3 supports music playback with the ability to store MP3 files, though this function is only accessible to Android users. The Band 10, while offering smart notifications, lacks the ability to answer calls or store music, making it a more basic fitness tracker in comparison. Battery performance is crucial for wearable devices, and the Huawei Band 10 excels in this category. It offers up to 14 days of battery life under typical use, and around 7 days with heavier usage, including the always-on display. Quick charging is another strong point, providing 2 days of use with just a 5-minute charge. The Huawei Watch Fit 3, while still impressive, has a shorter battery life due to its larger display and advanced features. It lasts around 10 days under normal use and around 3 to 4 days with continuous GPS tracking and heavy usage. The inclusion of a high refresh rate screen also contributes to faster battery drain. In conclusion, the choice between the Huawei Band 10 and the Huawei Watch Fit 3 depends on user priorities. The Band 10 is ideal for those who want an affordable, lightweight, and long-lasting fitness tracker with solid health monitoring capabilities. On the other hand, the Watch Fit 3 is better suited for users looking for a more premium smartwatch experience with a larger screen, built-in GPS, call support, and advanced fitness features. Both devices serve their respective markets well, making them strong contenders in their price ranges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and see you soon.